Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to do the lightning effects in After Effects. Now, it's a very cool effect, and I'm going to do a quick RAM preview for you. So yes, it is indeed a very awesome effect, so I'm going to tell you how to do it. So first I'm going to use a new whatever. Okay, so go to File, Import, File, and import your clip. Now take the clip and bring it down into the timeline. Make sure you have it selected. Now we want to go forward in time to the point where we want the thunder to come out. Or the lightning, whatever you call it. I don't care. Now you gotta stop it where you gotta go. Then go to Edit, Split Layer. And now you should have two clips. One clip has him before the thunder, and the other clip has him releasing it. So select the clip where you want him to release it. Then go to Effect, Generate, Lightning. Now you should have 2 points at the end of the lightning clip. Now move it into the area that you want. Now you should move it right out of the clip because you want it to be going out instead of it stopping at the end of the clip. Now when you play it, it'll just move automatically. That's what I'm trying to get to. And it'll stop after it gets to the clip. Now that's pretty much it, but we're gonna add another effect in. So go to bring it down to a new composition, and now everything you did is in one clip, which is pretty nice. I'm just testing it right now. So anyways, we're going to use a thing called a wiggler. So go to Window, the wiggler. Now you're going to press, I believe, P, I guess, to bring up the position thing. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add keyframes at the beginning of the thunder and the end of the light thunder. Now this effect is going to give it a camera shake, which is very nice. It gives it the feel of more power. So I'm just going to add in my keyframes. Now select both keyframes, and now we can use the wiggler. Now bring up the frequency to about 20 and the magnitude to about 20. It's all about personal preference. And hit apply. Now I should have this line of keyframes. And now when we play it, it should have these ugly black lines going around it. Now we have to get rid of those, and then we're done. So we're going to go up to Effect. Well, select the clip, go up to Effect, Stylize, Motion Tile. Okay, now what you're going to do is click Mirror Edges and bring up the height and width to about 120. Now when we play it, we're going to have this neat camera shake. And yeah, so it's really awesome. And that's about it. So this is Demon2897 signing off. Thank you for watching.